My name is Cornelius and I'm here to show you how a person with visual impairment can independently repair his broken cane. In my hand, I have with me this cane which has its tip completely gone inside, and it's so difficult if in case you want to pull this out. So I will show you what's the steps that I'm going to follow to repair this cane into a completely fresh looking piece. And why I need to repair this is because it's so difficult for me and it's not comfortable at all to use this cane while walking on the road. So the first step is by assembling this one by starting it from here at the top. I'm pulling out this top, and then if you look here, we have this elastic, and I'll start to disassemble it by removing this knot. I have with me this small piece of stick, and by using this, I will try to insert it from here, and then I'll try to push this as much as I can so that this stick will come out of here. Unfortunately, this stick is too big, so it seems that I have to modify this again by using this knife. I'll just make it a little thin by scraping it like this. Okay, to continue further, I have the stick final with me, and the stick is with me, and the elastic is with me. Now I will start joining first from the tip by inserting this elastic inside this hole. Okay, it's done, and I'll just tie this tip like this. So the first part is done. Now I will insert them one by one, like that, and then like that, and the last one will be like that. Then I will use the stick as my help. I've done all the 4 parts. Now I have this top. Again, I have to insert this elastic from here. Done. Then I'll tie this top like this. Done. Then I'll arrange it like this. So now you are seeing this final product. This is the cane that I have modified, and so I am going to use again like this. Thank you so much.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.